Once upon a time, in a world much like ours, the tale of climate change began to unfold. This is a story of how our actions are affecting the planet, and the steps we can take to create a better future. Meet Mia, a farmer who tended to her fields year after year. But something was changing. The weather became erratic, with unexpected storms damaging her crops. Mia learned that these weather patterns were linked to climate change caused by human activities. She realized that she needed to find ways to adapt and make her farm more resilient. Then there's Alex, a marine biologist who had always been captivated by the wonders of the ocean. However, Alex started noticing something distressing. Coral reefs were turning white and dying. This phenomenon, known as coral bleaching, was happening due to rising ocean temperatures. Alex joined a team of scientists working on ways to restore these vital underwater ecosystems. In a distant corner of the world, Elder Kaya led a nomadic tribe that relied on the land for survival. But the land was changing. The once reliable water sources were drying up, and the tribe faced the tough decision of leaving their ancestral home. Elder Kaya's people were climate refugees, forced to migrate due to the changing environment. As the story unfolds, we encounter key climate change facts. The burning of fossil fuels like coal, oil, and gas releases greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. These gases trap heat and cause the planet to warm up. This leads to rising sea levels as ice caps melt and more extreme weather events. The story delves into the impacts of climate change on wildlife. Animals that depend on specific habitats, like polar bears and penguins, are struggling to find food and shelter. Deforestation and habitat destruction threaten countless species, disrupting the delicate balance of ecosystems. But amid the challenges, there's a glimmer of hope. People around the world are taking action. Solar panels and wind turbines are providing clean energy alternatives. Recycling and reducing waste are becoming more widespread. International agreements like the Paris Agreement unite countries in their commitment to combating climate change. The narrative emphasizes the importance of collaboration and empathy. The characters' stories intertwine as they attend a global climate conference. Mia shares her experiences of adapting her farm. Alex presents the latest coral restoration techniques. And Elder Kaya speaks of the urgent need to address climate-induced migration. In the end, Climate Chronicles is a story of awakening. It encourages readers to see the connections between their choices and the environment. It urges them to reduce their carbon footprint, support renewable energy, and advocate for sustainable policies. The story serves as a reminder that the power to make positive change lies in our hands. So, as we close this chapter, let's remember that we are all part of the solution. By working together, we can rewrite the future of our planet, ensuring that it remains a thriving and beautiful home for generations to come. Dive into the compelling story that unveils the impacts of climate change and the inspiring actions we can take to protect our planet. Subscribe now to be part of the movement for a greener, more sustainable world. What role can you play in the fight against climate change? Share your thoughts and ideas on how individuals can contribute to a healthier environment for all.